Hello, I bet you weren't expecting me. My name is Alana, and today me and my mother are going to be doing a rating her Pretty Little Thing outfits Valentine edition. Tune in. Alright, she's about to come out with outfit number 1. Ooh! Ooh!
Date night.
Yes!
Done, right? So this is an outfit that I got from I'm about to say Fabletics, not Fabletics. It's called Fabric, okay? So it's F-A-B-R-I-K. And yes, I could not let this one go. I love the tone, my skin. So
yes, and it's so soft. And it has these ruffles at the bottom, and it opens up to the shoe part.
Thank you. So, would you rate this one?
I'm rating it I gotta see the other outfits first. I'm rated a 9.
A 9?
Yeah.
Alright. Got a 9 going.
Yes. So as you guys know, we're about to be on the second outfit, so Mom, come out. Ooh, okay.
Alright.
This is giving me very much jazz date night. Yes, very much disco vibes.
Okay, so yeah, this one I got from Pretty Little Things, and I like it. So the only issue, you know how I am, I don't like the whole open situation here. So I would probably wear an undershirt. I was rushing a little bit, so I didn't wear one under there. But you know, I believe it a modesty thing, right? But otherwise,
and it's velvet too,
yes.
So it's very soft.
Very soft. And I decided to go with hot pink because you know, for Valentine's Day, everybody does red. But I thought, why not actually go with something a little bit different? So we got some hot pink shoes, hot pink accessories.
Yes, and it flares up at the bottom as well. I love that.
Thank you. So, what you rating this one?
I'm gonna give it an 8.5.
8.5?
Yes.
Alright.
Guys, we are on outfit #3. So Mom, come out. Okay. This is definitely the color, like the color of the last one she did. So it has like, you know, some purple and that hot pink and like the earrings and stuff.
Except for I changed the earrings out of this one, but yeah. So I'm trying to see where this top came from. I feel like it came from like belts or something. I can't remember, y'all. And I think these pants came from belts as well. But yep, this is just one of my favorite ones. I don't wear this one often, but again, if I'm going to like a little nice date night out for Valentine's Day, I will rock this one. And I put the same like hot pink shoes on again.
And it's like really formal and fun at the same time.
Exactly.
And the other one was just like formal.
Yeah. So what would you rate this?
I'm gonna rate this a 9. I really like it.
Thank you. Thank you. She cute.
She cute. And it goes perfect with the leather jeans as well.
Yes.
Okay. Alright guys, this is outfit 4. Alright Mom. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. All black, my favorite color.
All black, everything. So, either I dress really good or she's just a really nice dog. But either way. So yeah, this is a little bit more laid back, casual.
Yes, for sure. It's so pretty. It's windbreaker material with some leather. Yes. And a marble hat. That tops it off for sure.
Yes. So yeah, I like this one. This is from Pretty Little Things. And again, these other pants, I can't really remember, but I think belts. Then I would wear my stud shoes that I have upstairs with this as well. But the hat keeps me nice and warm on a cold date night. And just for a casual, nice little laid back look, you know. I dress up most of the time, but
where's the hat from?
The hat is also from Pretty Little Things, yes.
Yes,
yeah.
I rated a 10.
So this is a 10?
Yes,
10 out of 10.
definitely.
Cool beans. Thank you for rating my outfit.
Definitely my fave.
All right, you guys, so we just finished our daughter rates my outfits video, Valentine's Day edition. It was really cool. What did you think?
It was amazing. All her outfits were so bomb. Make sure y'all go get y'all some so y'all can look bomb for Valentine's Day too.
That's right. So I wanted you to make sure that you like, comment,
and subscribe.
All right, don't miss another video. As a matter of fact, it's Mama's turn. So I will be rating my daughter's outfits and see what I think. I'm gonna keep it 100. She knows how I am.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm looking forward to rating her outfits as well. So like I said, comment, let me know what you think. And as a matter of fact, because it's Valentine's Day, I'm feeling a little giveaway-ish. I wanna give you guys a gift. So comment below and let me know what your favorite outfit was, whether it was outfit 1, 2, 3, or 4, and I will choose a winner of my book. It is called The Grown Woman's Guide to Growing Spiritually in Christ, and yeah, I'll choose a winner to get a free book. All right, thank you for watching.
Bye.